Now, if we do our keyword research properly and we write good ads, eventually our goal is to have multiple ads and keywords generating sales for us. So not just, build muscle, not just a single keyword. If we've done things properly, we're going to have a few keywords that generate sales for us. And that's good because the more different keywords, the more different traffic you have generating sales, well, usually the more sales you will have, and that's what you want. A maximum amount of sales, maximum amount of profit, maximum amount of money. So let's look at another hypothetical scenario. So here I've added a few more ads to our hypothetical example here. And as you can see, we have our how to build muscle keyword that we've already covered here in the headline. We've talked about that in the previous video. And now we have two new ones here. Get fit from home and become 50-75% stronger the most realistically possible. And how to get stronger by using simple bodyweight exercises from home. So all of these ads are fairly related to this headline. Again, they're not an exact match. This is the only ad, really, our top ad that matches this headline. But we have other ads that are generating us sales, and they're going to the exact same landing page as this ad is going. And that's not really fair, because how come this ad gets its own landing page with its own super great headline, and the other ads that are generating sales for us, well, they don't get their own custom pages? Well, eventually, again, once you have multiple ads generating sales, you will want to have landing pages for all the best performing ads. And usually that's not going to be a lot of ads. It's going to be, 2, 3, 4 different ads in the campaign. That's how it works. It's usually a few ads that generate the bulk of the sales, and then the other ones are kind of lagging behind. From my experience, that's usually how it is. So let's say we have 3 different ads with 3 different keywords that generate the most sales. So we have the new ones we have is get fit from home, that's our other keyword, and get stronger. Okay? So it's not enough to just have a headline that really speaks to the customer, because eventually, after they read that headline, it's inevitable. If your headline does the job, they're going to start reading your first paragraph, and they're going to read your sales copy, and they're going to find out what the product is all about. And if the rest of that content doesn't match the keyword or what they're looking for, well, it's not that likely that they're going to buy. So you want different landing pages saying different things targeted at different keywords. And that may seem very tedious and difficult, but it really isn't. There's a very fast way to create sales pages, really. And you only need to focus on 3 different things. The first one, of course, is the headline. So we change the headline according to what our top performing ad is. So here, we have our headline right now focused on our how to build muscle fast. If we want a headline that talks about get fit from home, well, so we have now get fit from home. Okay, done. Headline is pretty much finished, and 50-70%. Okay, so this is identical, so it's pretty much finished. But of course, the next thing we want to focus on is the intro copy. So your first few paragraphs in the sales copy, if you're going to have different landing pages, they must all have different intro copy. So the landing page for this ad will talk about how to build muscle fast. The landing page from this ad, the intro copy, should talk about specifically getting fit from home without leaving a gym, without using too much equipment. It should talk about the convenience of working out at home. And the landing page for getting stronger, well, it should talk more about using or getting stronger and getting functional strength and things of that nature. So it's not just the headline, it's the copy that really needs to talk to your audience. So number 1 is the headline, and number 2 is the intro copy. And then the last thing really is the main benefits. So, your bullet points, you should sprinkle a few more of them that are all related to these ads. And that's it. You don't have to restructure your whole product. You don't have to redesign your whole website. You don't have to rename the product. You just have to make sure that your page communicates to the people that are clicking on your ads. So if all three of these ads are generating sales on a regular basis, they all deserve their own landing pages with headlines, intro copy, and main benefits focused at each one of the separate ads. That is how you're that is really how you're gonna generate the most amount of sales. And that again, I can't. It's all about targeting. It's all about relevance, and I can't stress that enough. If you have high performing ads and high performing keywords, making separate landing pages for the highest performers will drastically improve your conversion rates and your sales. You will almost always notice a difference. So I highly recommend it. Now, for more details, again, go back to the guide, read it over, and hopefully implement these pages into your business.